Good afternoon. I'm Bastien from BVN Real Estate. Here we are in an apartment for rent in the condominium of 4 units. It's a Baywatch condo, you see. We have the view over the bay. We see the Christ statue straight to us. On the east, the town, and we imagine west part, the ocean. So we see the port, we listen to the sea, and could follow what's going on in town. So let's see this unit. So it has been made normally for short-term rentals, and I'm offering it today on long-term rent. So it's for rent, including internet and water. You pay extra the electricity. So electricity will depend of how much you use the air conditioning. First living room, kitchen bar here, large terrace. We have a north exposition, and we have the swimming pool just there. So down in our condo, we share with 4 units, a garden, a grass, and this terrace with the pool. Let's go inside. So inside we have this first big table, a large dining table, a very small sofa. It's a bit sad to have a sofa that small for this building, but 1 bathroom only with 2 bedrooms. So let's go and see the first bedrooms. So the bedrooms has access, of course, to the bathroom and also to the terrace. Here the side terrace, the side balcony to join our main terrace. Let's see the bathroom. So a shower, here we are. We see I'm here, hey guys. Toilets, hand wash. We go back in the main living room, and I'm going to visit the second room. 2 single bed. And a second smaller shower with toilets here. So it's a 2 baths, 2 bed, 2 baths. Capacity normally 4 people. So it's not for sale, it's for rent. Ideally, we are looking for long term. So long term for us, it's a 3 to 6 months at least. Preferably 12 months. Let's see now the garden. I'm going down this stair. It's a metallic stairs of about 20 steps, and giving me access to the terrace. So I choose this unit only because it's the more private. It has on the second floor more privacy. Because of course, when I will come down to my stairs, my neighbors will see me. But up, actually, I will be more private, so it's the place I will prefer you to rent here. I'm going in the garden. So it's a chair garden, of course, so everyone has to respect the privacy of his neighbors. I like the green, this grass, well maintained. So the lot behind is for sale also. Here we are in Brisas de Pacifico, so breeze, Pacific breeze. It's a residence with low HOA. It's a road access to go to town. I drove probably like 3 minutes from the church to arrive here. So walking will be about 10 to 15 minutes. Here is another unit. They rent all the units at the same price. But I prefer definitely this first unit for the privacy it has. Or if not, this second unit over there. The bottom floor units are not the best in my opinion, if there is people to share with. So long-term rentals, offering here for $1,400 per month, including internet and water. You pay extra the power. Power mainly will be air conditioning. If you don't use air conditioning, you will probably pay $30, $35 of energy extra.